So this is how you will add teachers' names to our school's website. So you want to click on our school's website, which I have already provided for you. And then you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says login. You're going to click login and type in the information that I've already sent you. And then once you type in that information, you want to click login. Now, you are on the actual portal that allows you to make changes. So you want to go up to your top left area and you see user management and you see that little arrow pointing to the right. You want to click that arrow. Now, you see teachers and then there's a drop down menu. You want to register teachers. So click register teachers and then you're going to type in someone's name of where I've already left off. So I'm doing Brenda Mosley right now. And then we have to place Brenda Mosley's email address in here as well. So as I type in her email address, you want to make sure you put the entire email address. And then at the bottom, click register now. Bottom, and it lights up in orange right there. Now, once we've registered her, it should go into the system as a username. So now let's click just to make sure she's in there. So we're going to go back to the icon at the top left where it says user management. And then we're going to click teachers. And then I just want to see if she's been added. So let's look for Brenda Mosley. There's Brenda Mosley right there. So anytime you make a mistake, click that area and then you can simply delete it. Okay. And then that is pretty much it. So we're going to go and I don't think it's going to accept it this early, but it just might. You never know. So let's go and check. So let's see if it accepted Brenda's name. Not yet. And so that means it's probably going to do it shortly. Or maybe it just takes a little bit of time to actually see. But we know it's been added. And when you finish doing all of the names, then don't forget you want to take it back and log out. So you're going to exit, and then right here where it says log out, you just want to log out. All right, so that should be it, and that's how you add names, staff names to our website on School Loop. If you have any questions, give me a call.